Hi everyone! Today we are introducing a human-machine interface developed by Dave Embedded Systems for modern kiosks and vending machines. This is a ready-to-use HMI platform that combines an industrial-grade display with a dedicated control board. It allows fast integration of custom graphical user interfaces. The GUI shown here is just an example. And by design, it connects your kiosk to the IoT ecosystem. The platform is built for industrial flexibility. It supports RS485, Modbus, CAN, Ethernet and USB, making integration with existing systems straightforward. For connectivity, it offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and 4G LTE right out of the box. As a connected device, it integrates ToloMEO, Dave Embedded Systems Service Suite for edge data orchestration and Industry 5.0. Through ToloMEO, the HMI can access essential services such as over-the-air updates, cybersecurity, and edge AI. The platform supports multiple Dave system-on modules, allowing you to choose the right level of computing power. This is a compact, modular HMI, ready to deploy, designed to bring intelligence and connectivity directly to the edge.